We have another question. It's from Amy Kimball.
Given that your charity focuses on providing better health for citizens in foreign countries, does it frustrate you that underprivileged citizens in the United States don't have access to an affordable healthcare system?
Yeah, well, fortunately, in the US, less than 1% of children under 5 die, and that's largely, to the degree it happens, because of premature birth. And so although we have a very inequitable situation, and we should certainly move towards universal health care, it's not really comparable to the situation in developing countries. That is, most kids get enough nutrition that you don't have this 30 to 40% where their brains don't fully develop. So we have work to do as a country. We're kind of unique in the rich countries in terms of healthcare accessibility. We'd get the worst grade of all the different countries. We also manage to spend more than anybody else, so copying us may not be the best idea in this one area. But I do think the policies are moving in the right direction to give better health care. In fact, even for young people, the CHIPS coverage has gone up, and the new Obamacare thing will help with that quite a bit.
I was going to say, did you get involved in politics to this degree that Obamacare was hugely controversial? The Tea Party candidates basically said this is going to destroy the American economy and certainly the American health system. Did you get involved in politics then?
Well, I think if you're a rich person with a lot of ideas, you ought to be careful to pick a few ideas to kind of say that you know the answer. People get tired of listening to you if you think you have answers to too many things. And so the areas that I really have experience are issues related to education, issues related to foreign aid. And so although there are exceptions, I really, when I'm back in Congress, I try to talk to things that I'm working on full time. I know the scientists, I know the numbers. And rich world healthcare is different enough than what I've devoted my life to that I don't go in pretending to have the solution on that.
Okay, our next question.